Now let's think about expressions with more than one variable. So say I had the expression a plus, I'll do a really simple one, a plus b. And I want to evaluate this expression when a is equal to 7 and b is equal to 2. And I encourage you to pause this and try this on your own. Well, wherever we see the a, we would just replace it with the 7. And wherever we see the b, we'd replace it with the 2. So when a equals 7 and b equals 2, this expression will be 7 plus 2, which of course is equal to 9. So this expression would be equal to 9 in this circumstance. Let's do a slightly more complicated one. Let's say we have the expression times y minus y plus x plus, actually let's make it plus 3x, or another way of saying it, plus 3 times x. So let's evaluate this when x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. And once again, I encourage you to pause this video and try this on your own. Well, everywhere we see an x, let's replace it with a 3. Every place we see a y, let's replace it with a 2. So this is going to be equal to 3 times y, and y is 2 in this case, 3 times 2 minus 2 plus this 3 times x, but x is also now equal to 3. So what is this going to be equal to? Well, this is going to be equal to 3 times 2 is 6. This 3 times 3 is 9. So it simplifies to 6 minus 2, which is 4, plus 9, which is equal to 13. So in this case, it is equal to 13.
Assalamu alaikum. Ma o'tgan soatlik darsga aloqador bir misol bir mashq bo'yicha 8 qo'shiman W bo'liman 4. Shuning o'rniga W ning o'rniga 16 ni qo'ysak necha dedi. Buni ishlasak 8 qo'shiman W bo'liman 4. Endi mana o'rniga 16 bo'lsa 8 qo'shiman 16 bo'liman 4. 16 ni 4 ga bo'lsak necha 4. Shuning bilan 8 qo'shiman 4. 8 4 ni qo'shsak necha 12. Şunun cevabı 12. 12'ni de biz bakalım. 12. Check answer. Mana yaxshi to'g'ri ishlandaydi. Endi bugungi darsga o'tsak, how to evaluate expressions with two variables. Agar ikki noma'lum bo'lsa qanday qilamiz dedi. Mana masalan a qo'shman b degan bir tanglim bo'lsa, agar a 7 ga teng bo'lsa, b 2 ga teng bo'lsa, buni masalan a qo'shman b teng, shuni bilan 7 a ning o'rniga 7 ni qo'ysak, b ning o'rniga 2 ni qo'ysak 9 teng. Ya'ni a qo'shman b teng 7 qo'shman 2 teng 9 teng. Unda men keyin oxirida sal tasroqini qilibdi xy xy olaman y qo'shman 3x. Ma xy ning o'rtasida ko'paytirish belgisi bor. X ko'paytman y. Ma 2x ga o'xshab qolgancha ko'paytirish belgisini ishlatmaymiz dedik-ku. Shunga x chekit qo'ysak bo'ldi. Y olaman y qo'shman 3x. Endi x ning o'rniga 3 ni qo'ysak, y ning o'rniga 2 ni qo'ysak 3 ko'paytman 2 olaman 2 qo'shman 3 ko'paytman 3. Shundan bu 3 ni 2 ko'paysak necha 6. 6 dan 2 ni olsak necha 3 ni ko'paysak necha 9. 6 dan 2 ni olsak 4. 4 qo'shman 9 teng 13. Men to'g'ri javob 13. Salmonxondan chiqargan javobim 13 eng oxirida. Mana shunchalik xayr. Bugungi dars osanki asta-asta tashlashmadi. Agishmasanlar. Qanday savol bo'lsa, ostida yozsanglar bo'ldi.